Good afternoon, Pete here from Kafer Motorworks. So today we're going to do a test on the Solectria AC24 motor from Azure Dynamics, and this is going to be a motor that's going to go into the 83 transporter single cab Volkswagen. I did everything, got the new encoder put in, and then I went ahead and got it connected up to the controller. And we're going to do a first test, first run. I have not run it yet. This will be the first run, and it is set up on the controller for the AC50 motor, and we'll make sure we switch it over to the AC24 as well, which is what was in the controller when I acquired it. So I'm sure everything has been set up for that motor. So I just want to say, let's go have a look at what we have. So we have a big project ahead, and let's go have a look. So here's the workbench. All my wires. There's the motor. So this motor's attached, and I'm not taking it off, otherwise I would have put the Solectria up here. But for now, we're connecting it under no load down here on the floor. And my battery pack over there, 96 volt battery pack, even though we are running a 144 volt controller. So this is just for testing purposes only. So in order to do this, I'm going to aim the camera down at the motor, just so we have a good look at the motor when I fire it up. So everything's connected, everything's on. So I don't know if we're going to get movement, but we shall see here. So here we go. Okay, so what I'm having is some movement, but I think I have to change the wires, but I'm going to change the wires in the software. So I'm going to let you see what I saw. So these wires going down, when I throttle up, they're gonna move all on their own. So basically the motor's fighting itself. So let me see about switching this over in software. So no faults though. There are no faults showing. Motor. Okay, let's see here. Swap encoder direction. I'm going to turn that off. And then we'll recycle this. Turn it back on. Everything looks good. Let's see if that changed anything. There we go. So we have a smooth, quiet running motor. AC. So this is on AC50 for the motor type. Okay, I'm going to change this to the AC24 motor type. Motor type. '24. Okay, we're going to recycle this. Turn it back on. Okay, I don't know what else to say except, wow. Okay, and that sucker's fast. Okay, let's see if we can set this to 2,000 RPM, see if it'll do that. Oh, look at that. There you go. Okay, so we have successfully done a test. Okay, so one more test here. 2,000 RPM, no regen, Solectria AC24. Okay, there you have it. Let's get moving on the rest of this project. Let's get this thing in the car, or in the truck, and let's see what it can do on the road. Talk to y'all later.